Hello, everyone. If you're planning to run n8n automation workflows on your own VPS server, then Hostinger VPS. Hosting is one of the best and most affordable options available right now. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to buy Hostinger n8n VPS hosting using my special discount link and get an extra 20% discount on top of Hostinger's regular pricing. So, let's get started. First, click the Hostinger discount link provided in the video description or pinned comment. This is important because the extra 20% discount will only work when you use that special link. Once the website opens, click on the VPS hosting section. Here, you'll see multiple VPS plans. For most n8n users, VPS 1 or VPS 2 is a great starting point. If you're planning to run multiple workflows or handle higher workloads, you can choose a higher VPS plan based on your requirements. After selecting your preferred plan, click on Choose Plan. Now select your hosting duration. Usually, longer subscription periods provide bigger savings. You'll see the discounted price automatically applied by Hostinger. Next, create a new Hostinger account or log in if you already have one. After that, proceed to the checkout page. Before making the payment, carefully check that the discount has been applied. If you're using the special link from the description, you'll receive an additional 20% discount compared to the standard price. This can save you a significant amount of money, especially if you're purchasing a VPS plan for 1 year or longer. Now, choose your preferred payment method. Hostinger supports various payment options, including credit cards, debit cards, PayPal, and other regional payment methods depending on your country. Complete the payment process and wait for the confirmation email. Once your payment is successful, log into your Hostinger dashboard. From there, you can access your VPS server, choose your operating system, and start setting up n8n. The entire process takes only a few minutes, and you'll have your own powerful VPS ready for automation projects, AI workflows, integrations, and business processes. If you want to get the maximum discount available, make sure to use the special Hostinger discount link provided below this video. That link is the easiest way to unlock the extra 20% savings and get the best possible price on your Hostinger n8n VPS hosting. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more hosting, AI automation, WordPress, and freelancing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.